National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ellis County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in north central Texas, east central Johnson County in north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 8:28 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles northeast of Maple, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Waxahachie and Itasca around 8:35 p.m., Carl's Corner around 9 p.m., Italy around 9:10 p.m., Bardwell around 9:20 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 6 and 32, Interstate 35 east between mile markers 371 and 403. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The normal broadcast schedule